I personally handled over $12 billion of construction reviews for lenders. It's of utmost importance that you look at that liability program. I call that the silent killer. The liability policy starts with your contract, right? Your GMP. We work hand in hand with the attorneys and those contracts being drafted. And the reason why is because insurance many times has certain requirements in the contracts, and we want to make sure that those requirements are met so that there will be proper insurance coverage or triggers at time of loss. While the property side is important and we focus on that, we always want to definitely hammer on the liability side as well, especially if you're a lender that's going to go balance sheet and potentially offer a permanent solution after the construction is complete. We actually looked at one 2 weeks ago that we're in the process of restructuring for our client, where they were dependent on the GC, even all the way down to the subs to have proper coverage. So whether you're a lender that's looking at a pre-construction deal, right, you're gonna do a construction loan, possibly you're gonna take that to a permanent, or very important too, maybe you're a lender that's taking something off of a builder's risk program or off a construction to permanent, it's of utmost importance that you look at that liability program. I call that the silent killer. The liability program is gonna follow your product's completed operations or your construction defect, depending on the state you're in, for many years. So you might be placing this loan as a new construction deal, but it could creep up 2 or 3 years down the road. I've seen it many times, especially in catastrophic regions in Florida and the Southeast, where we have a property loss 3 years after the project is complete. The property carrier denies it because it's construction defects. So now we're going back to those policies from several years prior. So we want to make sure that there's adequate coverage for your collateral and make sure you're covered at time of loss. I personally handled over $12 billion of construction reviews for lenders. Any questions, feel free to reach out to us at SpartanRiskManagement.com. Be happy to help you out.